Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're here with a song I'm going to introduce most of you to. Yeah, one of the baddest collab for me in a dancehall. This is one of the baddest collab for me. Kranium and Masicka, Beach House. How would you produce this again? I mean, if Sean is, I can't remember, but I soon tell you now. That song literally made me start save. Cause before that I was a crap saver. I couldn't save the money. When that song drop, me start save. I swear to God, me start save.
Pull up! Yo!
One of my favorite.
Pull up!
Kranium, Masicka, Beach House. Let's go. Marcus Record, that's it. Marcus, big up.
Masicka, you know. Whoa, Kranium, Wagwan.
Hey, as a youth,
One thing me always brief
on my TV, richer than most of me always see. Yeah. I'm a nice out for vanity. Oh my God.
So Beach House,
Man, I preach both. Oh, pull up! Lift out!
yeah.
Lift out!
Masicka, you know.
Oh,
Kranium, Wagwan.
them time ya, Kranium young, na business. Masicka fairly young in that
One thing
business.
me always brief on
But then turn out to be two bad artists, two bad giants. Big up Kranium, yeah. As a youth,
one thing me always brief on my TV, richer than most when me always see. Yeah.
throwback.
I'm a
The
nice
throwback
out for
segment
vanity,
continue, watch
oh,
out.
that.
So Beach House, man I preach both.
Big car, man, I drive out.
Me and my dogs, them ready to roll.
Me browning by
Oh,
the side, I'm ready to roll. Have
Awesome.
some dreamos, man, I preach both. Big bikes, man, I wheel out.
Me and my dogs, them ready to roll.
My girlfriend by my side, and she ready to roll.
I feel rich now,
Right now, mommy, that fi sleep. 3 picnic and 1 bed.
now
Ground
she have to sleep.
Swear that I fi change, just some jump in the street. I'm
Now me jumping at the street, for buy the house, them on the jeep, and mama ball. Hold on! Alright, let's go now. Lyrics time.
Masicka, you know.
Lyrics time.
Whoa.
Throwback.
Kranium, Wagwan.
Segment today, yeah.
Hey.
Watch your style.
As a youth, one thing me always brief on my TV, richer than most when me always see. Yeah. I'm a nice out for vanity, oh that.
So, he must say, yo, basically, as a youth, one thing him always pre on him TV, I feel be richer than most. Cause him see where TV a show him and him know say, yo, if that the person that can't own it, me can't own it too. All me have to do is just work hard feet. Don't sell out. You have some good program, we can teach you some nice stuff on TV too. It's not all bad. Tell live vision, it's not all bad. So the boss know from an early age say, yo, him not have to sell out for reach where him want to reach. You see me? Yeah, cause him have it in him brain from the TV.
Yeah.
I'm in a sell out for vanity, oh God.
So Beach House, man I preach both. Big car, man I drive out. Me and my dogs, they're ready to roll. Me browning by my side, I'm ready to roll.
The boss say, at some beach house in my dream boat. Big car off a drive out. Remember, say enough people dream of live on the hillside. The boss want up on the beach. The boss want up on the beach like a tourist. That's how him want there. Yeah, him and him dogs, them ready for roll out. Him and him browning there by him side. Which browning you ask? It could be two browning. It could be this, or it could be him brown girl. But you pick which one. You understand? Yeah. So that's the boss thing there.
Me and my dogs, they're
Ready for roll. Me browning by my side. I'm ready for roll.
Had some dreamos, man I preach both. Big bikes, man I wheel out.
Me and my dogs, them ready for roll.
My girlfriend by my side and she ready for roll.
Alright, back down to the browning. Did you make the right decision? Did you pick the browning that I was thinking about? I'm girlfriend in my talk. Yes, him girlfriend, not the gun. The girlfriend.
Me and my dogs, them
Ready for roll.
My girlfriend by my side and she ready
Masicka
for
say.
roll. I feel rich now. Right now, mommy da fi sleep. 3 picnic and 1 bed. Ground she da fi sleep.
So him have to rich now. Him have to rich now. Right now, mommy have to see it. 3 picnic on 1 bed. A grown mommy have to sleep. A mother is always gonna do a motherly thing. making sure our kids them alright. You see me? So big up the strong mothers them out there. We work all 3 jobs. You see me? Big up the mothers them we work all 9 days a week, even though 7 days per week. Yeah, big up the mother.
I'm ready for road. My girlfriend by my side and she ready for road.
I feel rich now.
Right now, mommy da fi sleep.
Yeah.
3 picnic and 1 bed. Ground she da fi sleep.
Yeah.
Swear that I fi change just so much jumping at the street. I'm go hunting at the street for buy the house, them and the jeep. And
Him say him straight that I fi change because him watch him mother I go through it. So him straight that I fi got change, brother. So what him do? Him jumping at the streets. Him jumping at the streets for hunt it. Him look it for go cook it. Definitely, cause that have to change.
that I fi change just so much
Jumping at the
street. I'm go
Jumping
hunting
at
at
the
the street
for
for
buy
buy
the
the
house,
house,
them
them
and
and
the
the
jeep
jeep.
and
And I'm
all.
a band.
Yeah.
God know it never see. Father gonna jail us. Baby just a creep.
Which part him born? Down in a garrison, down in a ghetto. Father gone to prison, father gone to jailhouse. And baby just a creep. It hard. It never nice. It never good.
God know it never see. Father gonna jail us. Baby just a creep. Now me a fi sail out. Make the cash money. Family account for me.
Oh God. So him a the breadwinner now. Cause remember same father gone to prison. He is now the breadwinner. Him a the breadwinner. So him have to jump out. Him have to sail out to go do it.
Sail out. Make the cash money. Family account for me.
Oh God. So
Beach
big
house.
man a preach boat.
Big car man a drive.
Chorus a sick dog. Me and my dogs them ready for road.
Them browning by me side and we ready for road. And some dream house.
Man a preach boat.
Big bikes man a wheel out.
Me and my dogs them ready for road.
My girlfriend by my side and she ready for road. Yeah. Right now you know me have to find time. Coming on my prime time so me now waste time.
Right now me have to find time because me in my prime time so me can't waste time. Him have to make the bread while the sun shine. Right now him young and auntie, him strong, him can go out there go look it for go cook it. Him now wait until him all up and cold up. No, not depend that. Him a do it now.
I'm ready for road. My girlfriend by my side and she ready for road.
I feel rich now.
Right now you know me have to find time. Coming
No,
on
no.
my prime time so me now
It's
waste
time.
Anyway, the money, let me go feed that. Man, where you are, do come in or do pay back.
Anyway, the money them me have to go for that. Mind where you do come in the dopey back, brother. Me out here look it for go cook it. Remember me tell you something out here look it for go cook it. Don't ramp with the money.
Anyway, the money, let me go feed that.
Mind where you are do come in or dopey back. No.
Sit down on the right rhyme, my time. Rims span the right shine, my girl have the right wine.
Sit down on a right rhyme, brother. Him sit down on a right him sang them because him know say yo him talented. I got took him to place. Talent I got take him to place and it did. Look at Masicka today there.
The money, let me go feed that. Man, where you are, do come in or do pay back.
Yeah. Sit down on a right rhyme, my time.
Rims span the right shine, my girl have the right wine.
The rims span the right shine. Him girl have the right wine. Remember say him done to the same sit down on a right line, you know. Right line, right shine, right wine. Be a double rhyme the boss again. Be a double boss. Listen.
Sit down on the right rhyme, my time. Rims span the right shine, my girl have the right wine.
Eh? It's a 4 bar you get this so full of double rhyme. Yeah. 4 bar you get full of double rhyme. Listen.
Money, let me go feed that. Man, where you are, do come in or do pay back.
Sit down on the right rhyme, right
time.
Ring on the right.
Shine, my girl have the right wine.
Oh, Safi billion.
Buy a couple black. See me, go along, go feed that.
So them time that when some man out there buy NSC, when some man out there a flask, when some man out there buy clothes, you know him a buy? Black him a buy, cause him know say yo him house have a bill. Him have to have a roof over him head. Yeah, him can't buy car first, cause him know say convert to a car without roof. Nah buy none of that.
House have a bill, me buy a couple black.
See me, go along, go feed that.
Beach house, man I preach boat. Big car, man I drive out. Me and my dogs, I'm ready for road. Me browning by me side, I'm ready for road. Have some dream house, man I preach boat. Big bucks, man I wheel out. Me and my dogs, I'm ready for road. My girlfriend by my side, I'm ready for road.
Oh yeah. Dream house.
You know the thing
Go for them, little man. Go for them. Go for them. Bad song, dog.
Money off of me.
Bad song, dog.
Money off
One of my
me.
favorite collab in a dance all this. See it, yeah?
Some
Beach house, man, I preach boat.
Big car man a driver home. Me and my dogs are ready for road. Me browning by my side and we ready for road.
And some
Dreamos,
man a preach boat. Big car man a
wheel out.
me and my dogs am ready for road.
My girlfriend by my side and she ready for road.
Yeah. Big up. Marcus Records.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let it
Get
go!
used to this.
Let it go!
Yeah.
Now bring back some of them songs where people forget. And people don't know.
Kranium,
Get used to this. We're not stop it again, we make it run. As a youth, watching the endless speed bump.
My TV,
Richer than most, let me always see. Yeah. I'm in a sell out for vanity, oh God.
Some beach house,
Man, I preach boat. That song make me save money, I swear. Me and my dogs, I'm ready for road. Me girlfriend by my side, I'm ready for road.
and some dreamos,
Man, I preach boat. Big bags, man, I wheel.
out.
Me and my dogs, I'm ready for road. My girlfriend by my side,
and she ready for road.
I feel rich now.
Right now, mommy have to sleep. 3 picnic on 1 bed, ground she have to sleep. Swear that I fit change just some jump in the street. I'm
go hunting at the street for by the house, them and the beat.
and I'm a band. God know it never see.
Father
Father
gonna
gonna
jail us, baby just suck it.
Now me have to sail out,
Make the cash money. Family account family. Oh God.
Beach house, man I preach boat.
Show back.
Big car, man I drive out.
Show back.
Me and my dogs are ready for road. Them browning by my side and we ready for road. And some
If me
dreamos,
introduce you to that one and leave in the comment section, let me know.
big bikes, man and we
Let me know so me introduce you to that one yeah. Enough people don't know that one yeah.
My girlfriend by my side and she ready for road.
And yeah, right now me know me have to find time. Find time,
so me now
waste no time.
Anyway, money,
Hear me go feel that. Man, what you a do, cause we know the me back. Sit down on the right line.
rims span the right shine, my
Girl have the right mind.
Oh, Sassy bill me buy a couple black.
See me, pull and go feel that.
Beach house, man I preach boat.
Yo,
Big car, man I drive out.
Me nah stop.
Me and my dogs are
ready for road.
Me browning by my side and we ready for road. And some dreamos, and I preach boat. Big bikes, man I wheel out.
Me and my dogs, I'm ready for road.
My girlfriend by my side and she ready for road.
1 year, Dreamos.
You know the things. Yeah.
What me say? Money you fi make, so me you fi. Boy, at some beach house,
man
and
I
a
preach
boat.
boat. Big car, man I drive out. Me and my dogs are ready for road. Me browning by my side and we ready for road. And some dreamos,
Man I preach boat.
big bikes, man I wheel out.
Me and my dogs, them ready for road.
My girlfriend by my side and she ready for road.
1 year. Marcus Records, pick up yourself. Sicker than them. Kranium, pick up yourself, G. Yeah. Man, I have to introduce them to some of them songs because I'm going to forget. I'm going to forget real bad music. Let me just say this. I want to see how effortless Kranium make that look. Like the chorus. Some meatballs, man, a dreamboat. You see how effortless the man do it? Talented from them time till now. You see me? Sicker, verse bad. Kranium verse bad. Chorus by Kranium bad, same way. The ad-libs them, the melody, everything from that song. What I like about that song is like the G them in the ghetto, them not left the ghetto in the music video, no time, them not left the ghetto, because them not reached there so yet. You see me? Them in the ghetto same way when the music video drop. If I know, you see some mansions and some big cars and some fat rides and some hot girls, some tickers that you see right now. It just show the elevation of the youth, them career dog in front of your face. You see me? This was a smart one. Marcus Records, big up yourself. Big up yourself. The visualizer, the person who filmed it, I can't remember who it is. Let me see if I can see it. No, I'm gonna see it. Yeah, no, film and edit by Ali. Yeah. Ali's on it. Ali's on it. All right. But yeah, this time I'm going to leave it on a seal. If me introduce you to the one, let me know in the comment section. And I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.